Today we'll talk about on how to fix drywall that didn't mud properly. Have you ever found yourself working for weeks on end on drywall and everything looks good except this one area? As you can see right here, it's separated. How do we fix this? So first we're gonna go ahead and start with sanding it down and trying to get in front of that crack. I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding this down. As you see, the drywall is crumbling right here, which is what's causing that break. So sand it down as much as you can. Okay, it's sanded all down and the paper is removed. Now you're gonna go ahead and apply matting again, thin coat and a strip of paper, and start with coat 1 followed by 2 and 3, and hopefully this will do the trick. Press down to make sure it sticks nicely to your wall. And apply 1 extra coat of mud. Now when you have your coat, go ahead and go down and press the right side so you can remove the excess from one side, and just go way down, clean the mud off, and repeat on the other side. But this time press the left side so you can remove the excess. And gently in the middle. And try to smooth as much as possible. All right, that looks just about smooth, the first coat. Let it dry and apply coat 2 followed by coat 3. Okay, so our coat 1 has finally dried. We are now ready for coat 2. And for that, you're gonna have your thin set, that your mud that is nice and thin mixed with water, and your white trough. And you would simply go and distribute it over your area. And again, I'm gonna make sure that all the imperfections are gone. Okay, once you have covered the whole area with an extra coat, you're gonna use your trough and you're gonna, in this case, press the right corner and scroll down to remove the excess, and repeat the same on the left. Now before you let it to dry and get it ready for coat 3, just go ahead and gently scroll down and smooth all the imperfections from coat 2. And once again, leave it to dry for coat 3.